no? Parang PhilHealth lang din yan eh. Paliwanag ko sa iyo at basahin ko na rin sa inyo. So ayan, basahin natin. We have a schedule of receiving the fund if ever. We also have a schedule of receiving from PDIC to be able to finance. So this is not one time big time. We have a 6 more months before this collected. And like I said, in our studies, and I think in the studies of Congress, the fund are just sleeping with the PhilHealth unused. Then Recto said there are some 117 billion of unused fund with the PDIC, which would equate to a combined estimate of 200 billion when added with those of PhilHealth. Oh, so tama naman, 'di ba? Kung ang isang budget ay natutulog lang, bakit hindi gamitin sa iba? No.
Sabi mo kanina na pinag-aralan ng Congress, pinag-aralan ng mabuti kung paano i-transfer yung funds. Tapos ngayon na bankrupt na pala, hindi nila nalaman, hindi man lang sinabi na bankrupt na pala. Tanging ang justice, ang associate justice pa, ang Supreme Court pa ang makaalam na bankrupt na pala. Tapos ipapalabas nila na may natutulog na fund yung PhilHealth, ganun ba 'yon? Para makuha nila yun, punta sa National Treasury. Oh, come on.